Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nitya Kamraj, launching my children's book titled Fruits and Vegetables Taste of Nature. This book is specially designed for children who can learn the list of fruits, vegetables, and greens with clear images, vitamins available along with the health benefits attached to it. In this book, children can learn the names of 45 fruits, 40 vegetables, and 10 greens. I, Nitya Kamraj, is a professional. I have also written a book on non-fuel cooking titled Cook Without Cooking. Buy this book for your kids and for yourself. It has got fun to it. Thank you.